Hey, so I know it's not something we're all dying for, but I think it'd be nice to be able to easily pop in the photos that we just took with our cameras into our big old screens here. Well, if you'd like to do that, you will need one of these USB adapters. These will adapt your regular size or even micro SD cards out through a USB port easily enough like this. Once it's in here, right into your TV it'll go. So the SD adapter and an SD card are your two first requirements, and the third requirement to make sure that all this is even possible is that your TV has a USB port in the first place. But it doesn't end there. The USB port on your TV has to be able to read data. What I mean is, lots of TVs do have USB ports, but it could be that they're just there to provide a little bit of power for a nearby little device like these. Welcome to Simple Cafe, tutorials to the point. So about your TV's port, the best way to find out if this will work is if you've seen a USB option in your TV menus. So have a look around in there, or to be positive, try connecting any other USB thumb drive with pictures in it and see if your TV responds. Or again, look to access the folders in the TV menus. If nothing comes up, well, don't waste your money on this adapter. Oh, and I just thought of another reason to get one of these. That is, if you have a computer without an SD card slot. So long as there's a USB port in your computer, you'll be able to get your SD card footage finally onto your PC. If you want to demystify USB ports in TVs, I made this video right up here addressing just that because there could be 3 different reasons for it being there. Okay, let me know if you liked the video and subscribe to find me on your next search for help with your electronics. See you around.